Before we dive into these powerful natural remedies, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you're the first to know when our latest video is out. Damage or neuropathy occurs when nerves in the body are injured or impaired, often leading to symptoms like pain, numbness, and muscle weakness. This condition can arise from various causes, including physical injuries, diabetes, and autoimmune diseases. Fortunately, certain herbs have been recognized for their ability to support nerve health and alleviate these discomforts. Let's get started. Turmeric. Number 1. Turmeric is not just a culinary staple but also a super herb in the realm of medicinal plants, particularly for combating inflammation and nerve pain. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Curcumin inhibits key enzymes and proteins that drive inflammation, which is crucial for managing conditions like neuropathy. It also boosts the body's antioxidant capacity, protecting nerve cells from oxidative stress and promoting nerve regeneration. Incorporating turmeric into your diet, whether as a spice, in teas, or as a supplement, can significantly enhance nerve function and reduce pain. Ginger. Number 2. Ginger is not only a culinary delight but also a formidable anti-inflammatory remedy. This potent root has been used medicinally for centuries, primarily for its anti-inflammatory properties, which are excellent for those suffering from neuropathic pain. Ginger contains active compounds like gingerols and shogols that significantly reduce inflammation and pain. These compounds work by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and chemokines, helping to ease swelling and discomfort. Ginger also has analgesic properties similar to NSAIDs but without the side effects, making it a safer alternative for long-term use. Incorporating ginger into your diet or using supplements and topical gels can help alleviate nerve pain and improve nerve function. Peppermint. Number 3. Peppermint isn't just for refreshing breath or holiday treats. It's a powerful herbal remedy for soothing nerve disorders. Peppermint oil, rich in menthol, is particularly effective for topical application, providing a cooling sensation that can alleviate the burning and tingling sensations associated with neuropathy. Menthol activates cold-sensitive TRPM8 receptors in the skin, cooling the area and distracting from pain by providing a soothing effect. Additionally, peppermint oil's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and pain in affected areas, making it beneficial for managing chronic pain conditions. Using peppermint oil in massages or baths can enhance its effectiveness, but remember to dilute it with a carrier oil to avoid skin irritation. Ashwagandha. Number 4. Ashwagandha, a revered herb in Ayurvedic medicine, is known for its remarkable adaptogenic properties. Adaptogens help the body adapt to stress and normalize bodily processes. Ashwagandha enhances resilience to both physical and emotional stress, benefiting those with nerve damage. Beyond its stress-reducing capabilities, ashwagandha promotes nerve cell repair by regenerating axons and dendrites, key components in the nervous system. This regenerative effect alleviates symptoms such as pain and numbness while enhancing overall neurological health. Ashwagandha's anti-inflammatory effects further reduce discomfort and improve mobility. Available in capsule, powder, or tincture form, regular use of ashwagandha can significantly support nerve repair and overall well-being. St. Johns Wort. Number 5. Street. Johns Wort, known for its use in treating depression, is also highly valued for its neuroprotective properties. It has a rich history in herbal medicine for treating nervous system disorders and is particularly effective for neuropathic pain. This herb promotes nerve regeneration through compounds like hypericin and hyperforin, which support nerve tissue growth and repair. St. Johns Wort's anti-inflammatory properties and ability to modulate neurotransmitter activity, including serotonin and dopamine, help reduce pain and improve neurological comfort. Available in capsules, teas, or tinctures, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting St. Johns Wort due to potential interactions with medications. Ginkgo Biloba. Number 6. Ginkgo Biloba, a staple in traditional Chinese medicine, is well regarded for its ability to enhance circulation. Improved blood flow is crucial for repairing nerve cells and alleviating symptoms of nerve damage. Ginkgo Biloba facilitates the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to nerve cells, speeding up recovery in conditions like neuropathy. It also has neuroprotective properties, with potent antioxidants that protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, a common issue in neuropathic conditions. Ginkgo Biloba supplements, available in tablets, capsules, and liquid extracts, can enhance circulation, protect nerve cells, and accelerate nerve healing. Chamomile. Number 7. Chamomile is more than just a bedtime tea favorite. It's a potent herbal remedy for calming damaged nerves. Renowned in herbal medicine for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, chamomile is an excellent choice for managing neuropathic pain, a common symptom of nerve damage. Its rich content of flavonoids, particularly apigenin, helps reduce inflammation and soothe pain by targeting inflammatory pathways that exacerbate nerve discomfort. Chamomile also improves sleep quality, which is often compromised in individuals suffering from nerve pain. Drinking chamomile tea regularly or using its extracts can significantly enhance overall well-being by reducing pain and promoting better sleep. Conclusion. And there you have it, our countdown of the top 7 herbs for nerve damage. Each herb offers unique benefits, so consider incorporating one or more into your routine for natural nerve health support. Remember to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more natural remedies. To support our channel, consider sending a super thanks. It's a great way to show your appreciation and helps us continue providing detailed and informative content. Let us know in the comments which herb you're most excited to try, or if there's another you'd like to learn more about. Your feedback helps us create valuable content tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.